This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how PayPal balance top-ups work in 2025 through a dark website marketplace, purely for awareness and comparison. So let's get started. The first step is to download the Tor browser, which is required to access dark web websites. You can download it from the official website, available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it. Then open the browser. Now, to access the marketplace, you'll find the link in the description or pinned comment of this video. After opening the site, create a free account, log in, and you'll be ready to browse the products. Before placing an order, let me first show you my PayPal balance. As you can see, my account currently has zero balance. Next, on the website, choose the product you want, in this case, a PayPal balance top-up. If your marketplace wallet has no funds, first top it up with Bitcoin or the supported payment option. Then, select the amount you want and click the Buy button to place your order. After placing the order, wait a short while until the system marks it as completed. I'll refresh the page, and as you can see, the order has now been marked completed. Finally, let's open PayPal again and refresh the account balance. As you can see, the funds have successfully arrived in my wallet. And that's how PayPal balance top-ups are processed in 2025 via a dark website marketplace. Remember, this video is for awareness only. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.